Hey guys, what's going on? It is Kid Ash back with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Asceny 160% keyboard. And my last video was actually me customizing my keyboard. This keyboard right here with the custom switches and the custom keycaps. And today I'm just going to be reviewing the keyboard. This one I got from my brother. The one that I customized, I originally got with the Gatoron blue switches. These are the Gatoron brown switches. And you get it off Amazon for $55. It's not that expensive. Like the Ducky 1-2 Mini is $140. I know the GMMK is like $140. And I'm pretty sure you can get the An Pro 2 for about, I think it's $100. And the An Pro 2, it comes with the same exact switches, the Gatoron switches. Right now it only comes in the Gatoron blue and the Gatoron brown. And I got both of them, and I really haven't touched this. I haven't opened it or anything. I literally just got the package like this in a bag and just open up the bag. So, unboxing. I'll do it this way so that way you guys can see. Actually, no. I did take this out and put it together because I did make the video on it, and the video didn't have any audio on it, so it was kind of like unusable. So I had to put the custom caps that they sent in a Ziploc baggie. They sent it in this really nice packaging, actually. But it comes with two yellow shift keys for the big one on the right side, and it comes with a smaller one for the shift on the left side. Then it comes with two pinks, two blues, two purples, and a green for the control all Windows, alt control FN, and I don't know what that key is. And then it comes with a red or a pink one for the escape key, or any one of these on the top or besides the back bar. And this is how it comes in the package. I'll put it back exactly how it was. In the packaging we got the keyboard. We have an Asceny sticker. Which is really nice. They give you a nice little note. On the back of it, it shows you it gives you the function instructions, features, the specs of the keyboard, along with like a little layout up top. And in this little compartment here, just flip it open, they give you a braided USB-C to USB cable, and these are gold plated, which is really nice. I don't even think Ducky or the An Pro does that. It also comes with a keycap puller and a switch puller because these switches are replaceable, as you've seen in my last video. And I'm actually going to put these back in the thing so I don't lose them or anything. With this, and inside. Now, like I said, this is the Gatoron Gatoron brown switches. So, just remove the escape key. And that's what they look like. And it's really simple to take the keys out. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the keys in.
Yeah, she love when we go fast. Keep my hand up on the gas.
You know, 60% keyboard. This actually has the function keys on it. Here it's right underneath. You could see it more through the camera because the lighting's not on, but you could see the white. That's the function for them. So they have it right there. And that's what it looks like with the custom ones they send. And this is actually really, really nicely built. It's matte on the bottom and nice and glossy on the sides, like the underneath parts. And on the sides it's matte as well. And it comes with 4, it's not height adjustable, it's stuck at 1 height, but I really like the height of it. It's a really, really nice height for me. Some people might like adjustable heights. Right. And that's the color. And you could change the speed of it. And you could see it blinking. That's when you know it's at max speed. I don't know, that's the how bright it is. We're gonna put it down a little bit. Put it right there. And even with it low, it's actually kind of bright. It's really, 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 really bright keyboard. And then right here's the speed. You can see it's slowing down. That's at max slowed. And that's at max fast. And there's different modes of this preset. There's a color wheel going circular, color going up, a regular green, which I don't know if you could change that, but it's just green. Then you have different colors pulsing out, and then back to the side. And then there's another one where there's this, pressing it lights up. Another one where you press it and it shoots. And this one like pulses out, which is really cool. Then this one is voice, and that would be, I guess it would be cool for like musicians or anything. You play like the music in the background and it completely just, the keyboard goes wild. And back to this one. We'll do the color wheel. Right. Now, you can on the software hit the function key and do like preset modes. They already have preset ones. Number 1's green. Number 2's the numbers and the arrows. Number 3 is for delete and print, all that good stuff. And then if you press it again, you can tell it's on when it's lit up, which mode you're on. And you press it again and it goes back to the normal one. You can also tell when you do caps locks because it'll be lit up more than the other ones. Right. And now we're gonna do back here. We'll do a typing test. This is the Gatoron brown switches, which I like them because they're a lot quieter than the blue. Actually, I'm gonna put it up more, like right here. Alright, so I didn't know if you press enter, it stops the recording. So let's get back into this. We'll do the typing test with the lights off. So my overall review of the Asceny 160% keyboard, like I said, I've been using it for 3 weeks, and honestly, I like it. I like it a lot. I especially like that they had their little, logo right there on the space bar. I wish it was like translucent so that we could see color through it. But other than that, I've had no problems with the keyboard. I honestly can't wait to see what they do in the future. Asceny is I think it's a company that's going to thrive a lot. And it sits perfectly fine. I mean, if you flex it, I'm not going to flex it on this one. If you flex it, it's going to be a little wobbly, but if you flex it back the other way, it's completely fine. It'll be fine. So yeah, that's my review of the Asceny 1 Mini. I hope you all have a beautiful day.